Today's episode of
Yep.
It's Really Not That Dirty.
Yep, on today's episode, it's really not that dirty. This is the inside of the vehicle. The inside of the vehicle is horrible. This car is dirty. Like, this is gonna take a while to do. But we're gonna get it done here at Go Detailer Go. So make sure y'all come here and get y'all car detailed, and we will show you the aftermath after we get this car finished. Just showing y'all a little bit of it. As y'all can see, this car is horrible.
Horrible. Horrible. Just horrible.
And I know y'all used to hearing Mike. My name is Troy. If y'all want to follow me on Instagram at Life with Troy on Instagram.com, or follow my YouTube channel at Life with Troy. As y'all can see, this car is filthy, but we're gonna get this car right today. We're gonna get this car done. So we're gonna get this car done today. But just showing y'all some of the cars that we deal with here at Go Detailer Go. But we're gonna get this car looking back right. We're gonna bring this car back to life. So y'all can see it just filthy. I'm gonna even give y'all the view under here. That's the undercarriage. This is Ford. I don't know how somebody can drive a car like this. I don't know, cause this car is horrible. I don't know how a person can drive.
Make your fan a little wider. There you go.
Hard work pays off. So we are officially done with this car. As y'all can see, this car is absolutely done. We have done everything we can to this vehicle. So we're just doing the last finish wipe rounds around it, checking everything. But let me show y'all the inside. So y'all seen before how the inside looked. So now here's how the inside look now. Absolutely beautiful. It looks amazing on the inside. They're just checking up, doing the last few touches. But you see everything. It looks absolutely beautiful. Y'all seen this car was absolutely horrible. Let me show you the trunk. No, I like detailing, sir. Y'all see, it's absolutely beautiful. All done. Yep, we got everything finished. And this is just done by two people. The owner himself, Mike, at the Go Detailer Go, and his wonderful worker, Troy. We did this all. And we did this in the immaculate time. But y'all see the rims are nice and clean. Oh, there's a V6.
Troy, how long do you think it'd taken this client to do this on his own?
For the client to do this on his own, I think he would have gave up after probably like 30 minutes. He would have gave up because he wouldn't have want nothing to do with this car anymore. I think after 30 minutes he would have gave up.
But he said it really wasn't that dirty.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, we are officially done with this vehicle. This car is done. We are officially done with this vehicle. Thank you for watching.
Alright boys, so we did another walk around of this interior. We didn't capture a whole lot of this cleaning process because we really needed to get going on this car and get it done. Once we got in the zone, we forgot all about recording. But we primarily used steam and PNS Express Interior Cleaner to get a lot of the nook and crannies and a lot of the sections that were like really filthy. We also used steam to remove stains in the seat and the carpeting. We didn't have a shampoo machine when we did this Kia. We have one now. We have the 8070. It's the mighty 8070. Haven't even had a chance to use it yet. But even without the shampoo machine, y'all can see how great this car came out. The owner was thrilled, um, and we were pretty proud of the job that we did. So as per usual, go detailer, go. Special shout out to Troy for helping us get this one done.